subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has launched its new smartphone under X series called Vivo X30 along with the X30 Pro in China, and it became the company's first smartphone to come featured by an integrated 5G modem. Both of these models are almost the same phone, but the major difference is the Pro variant has an additional periscope style camera. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo X30 Pro features a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 91.4% screen-to-body ratio, and it also supports an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Exynos 980 chipset paired with Mali G76 MP5 GPU. The device packs with 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of inbuilt storage. As per the camera, the Vivo X30 Pro supports quad camera setup on the rear that features a 64MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with f2.2 aperture plus 32MP portrait lens with f2.0 aperture, and a 13MP periscope camera with f3.0 aperture, 5x optical zoom, and a native focal length of 135mm. For selfies and video calling, there is a 32MP camera at the front with f2.45 aperture. The camera features include Super Night Sense, 50mm portrait mode, Hyper HDR, AI Beauty, 4K video recording, and more. On the software front, the handset runs on FunTouch OS 10 out of the box based on the top of Android 9 Pie. And it comes equipped by a large 4350 mAh battery that supports 33 watts flash charging via USB Type-C port. The connectivity options on the phone include Wi-Fi, 5G, NFC, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The physical dimensions of the device measures at 158.45 by 74.10 by 8.80mm and weighs around 196.5 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability. The Vivo X30 Pro has been priced in China for 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant at 3,998 Chinese yuan, which roughly translates to 40,500 Indian rupees or $570 US, and 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage at 4,298 Chinese yuan, which roughly translates to 43,500 Indian rupees or $615 US. The smartphone is now available for pre-orders in China in black, white, and pink color options, and it will go on sale starting from December 28th. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo X30 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.